the three systems your business is missing right now. Why does growing your business feel so hard? Most of the time, it's because three things are missing: a clear, ideal client profile, a strong offer, and a list of financially qualified prospects. Without those, it's almost impossible to create consistent results. Please subscribe and be part of our journey. Your support truly matters. We help you define your ideal client profile, build a list of financially qualified prospects, create short offer videos for social media, and deliver those offer videos directly to an opted-in list of qualified clients using SMS texts. What if short videos and SMS texts became your best sales team? Imagine knowing exactly who your ideal client is, with a list of financially qualified prospects ready to hear from you. Each week, they receive your strongest offers through short social media videos and direct SMS texts. That's when your marketing and follow-up clicks into place and sales shift from unpredictable to consistent. Here's the good news: you don't have to figure this out alone. We help you identify your ideal client profile, how to qualify them, and put them into a SMS text follow-up system. Then we make sure your offers reach them week after week through permission-based SMS text follow-up. Not sure how to write hooks, craft scripts, edit videos, or send SMS texts to your opted-in list? Don't worry, we handle it all for you. All you need to do is record a simple script we provide, or use AI, and send it back. We take care of the editing, posting, and weekly SMS delivery, saving you time, ensuring quality, and making sure the work actually gets done. We start with financially qualified prospective clients. If you don't know how many financially qualified prospects you have right now, that's the problem we solve with our 10-day challenge. Each week, you'll have two powerful content streams working to grow your audience and boost conversions. Lead conversion posts, short videos crafted to showcase irresistible offers and turn followers into clients. Lead conversion SMS texts, direct short video offers sent straight to opted-in, financially qualified prospects for maximum impact. That's 52 offer-driven posts per year, laying the foundation for daily viral content that expands your reach and gets your brand seen. Here's the truth: if you don't have financially qualified prospects or a strong offer, this system won't work. But if you're ready to start closing more clients, growing your audience, and freeing up your time, then we're ready to help you get started today. Struggling to attract financially qualified clients or grow your business through referrals? Imagine sharing attention-grabbing videos on social media and sending personalized video offers directly to qualified clients via SMS, effortlessly turning prospects into paying customers. Start connecting with the right clients today and see the difference it makes. Let us help you get a client for free. This is exactly what we coach inside our 10-day challenge. When you sign up through Human Brainbox, we won't just give you the Go high-level software, we'll help you build a real process around it. Know someone who could use this? Share the video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click the quiz button, or go directly to humanbrainbox.com/quiz. After completing it, a marketing success manager will reach out to help you achieve your marketing and follow-up goals. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account, a Marketing Success Manager. We'll personally reach out to help you launch your client getting system. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.